What's up, guys? Thanks again for joining us. Today, I'm gonna be showing you my #1 Jamba Juice smoothie, the Berry Lime Sublime. This smoothie is gonna be packed with so much flavor, but not too many ingredients, and it's also gonna be something that you're gonna need to ask for because it's not gonna be on the menu above. But before we get into that smoothie, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our shows or any of our great advice when it comes to making food or gems like this. Jamba Juice was actually founded in 1990 out of San Luis Obispo by some guy named Kirk. Kirk promoted a healthy lifestyle being a cyclist, and we're very thankful for the creation of Jamba Juice as well as the recipe we have today. So we have some fresh ingredients that we'll be working with. We have our raspberries that are gonna be one of the best dietary sources of vitamin C. It's also gonna be offering you 44% of your daily RDI per 100 grams. Next, we have our strawberries, which are also another great source of vitamin C. And it's also gonna provide you with a decent amount of potassium and folate. Next, we're gonna work some orange juice. With this amount right here, this is gonna give you all the vitamin C you need for the day. And next, we're gonna be working with some raspberry juice. Should I talk about how I had to swindle my way to get this or no? The original recipe actually calls for sherbet ice cream, but we're gonna be replacing that with some non-fat yogurt. This is gonna be giving you the same texture and consistency as that ice cream, but it's gonna be less sugar, being that we're already getting enough natural sugar from our ingredients below. The funny thing about Berry Lime Sublime is that there's actually no lime in the original recipe. When you blend all these berries together, it does give it a hint of lime, but in my drink, I'm gonna be adding just a little bit of lime to give it that extra bit of tart. And especially if you watch this show, you know I use lime with just about anything. So let's start blending. First, we'll be adding in our ice. Next, we'll be adding in 12 ounces of our raspberry juice. Next, we'll be adding in a cup of our raspberries, followed by a cup of our strawberries. After that, yogurt. And last, 9 ounces of our orange juice. This is gonna be good. I'm excited. This is by far the best Jamba Juice you can make at home. This is gonna provide you with that sweet boost of energy you need with all these berries and orange juice, as well as that lime. I don't know what the lime's gonna do, except just make it taste a little better. You can't call it a Berry Lime Sublime with no lime. Cheers. Wow, that is so sweet. And also that citrus bang from that orange juice and all the berries. I just felt with the name, you have to have some lime in this. And just like that, we brought Jamba Juice to our own home. The Berry Lime Sublime is gonna give you a great blueprint for how to make a smoothie. You can of course add different ingredients, mix it up, but this is going to be a great start to a healthy lifestyle. Once again, thank you for joining us. Hit that subscribe button. We appreciate your love, your comments, your feedback. Follow us on Instagram, and we'll be seeing you guys next week. Peace. We out. That's more like it. You want to try some of this?